Welcome to Section 2 of our Viral Marketing video training. In this section, we will talk about setting up your viral website with WordPress, adding must-have plugins for Viral Power, and enabling Viral Power tools in your website. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. Setting up your viral website with WordPress. Installing WordPress. Well, installing WordPress is simple. Hosting services have made the process as easy as possible. If HostGator is your hosting service of choice, go to the software area and click on Quick Install. Then click on WordPress. Pick the domain where you would like to install your domain. You can also decide if you would like to install it on a folder inside of that domain. If you want to install it on the root domain, just leave this empty and click on Next. After that, fill out all necessary information, check the terms of service, and click on Install Now. Well, that took less than a minute. Extremely simple, right? You'll now see your login details, which you should keep in a safe place. Leveraging the best themes for viral websites. When you create a viral website, you cannot just settle for any type of commonplace theme or use a theme just because you like how it looks, if what you want is to drive viral content through your website. That is why there is a good variety of website themes available that have been designed with user engagement in mind. Themes designed for viral websites increase user interaction and increase the chances of a given piece of content of going viral thanks to the way they are designed. Thankfully, we have compiled some of the best themes available for WordPress that you can use on your own website. These viral themes are used by some of the best viral websites around like BuzzFeed.com and ViralNova.com, and you'll only need to do some clicks on your mouse to get them installed from the WordPress marketplace. Some of these are premium paid themes and some are free themes, so choose based on your needs and budget. If you're new to WordPress and are not sure about how to start installing a theme for your WordPress site, just go to your dashboard, place your mouse pointer on the Appearance tab, click on Themes, and then click on Add New. Some themes, however, will be posted on external marketplaces, so make sure to use keywords related to the type of functionalities that you want to have on your WordPress themes. Use Google to find a marketplace offering them. The following themes are some of the best that you can start installing today. Valenti. Valenti is a premium WordPress theme priced at $59 and designed for viral websites. It is a fully responsive, Retina-ready, high-definition, review magazine-style theme that allows users to build cool viral websites with a custom drag-and-drop feature. It does not require users to have coding experience to start creating great viral websites, and it's on sale at themeforest.com. Socially Viral. Socially Viral is a WordPress theme designed to boost social shares, hype, and revenue. It has an engaging design, and it will place your most popular posts at the top based on the number of views they are getting. It has a newsletter widget, is Mega Menu compatible, and it loads super fast. It is a premium theme priced at $59 and can be found in the WordPress marketplace. Surframa. This is a favorite among WordPress users thanks to how minimal it is. This is one of the most popular, widely functional, free WordPress themes. It has a super cool menu, right sidebar menus for categories, and shows the latest post published. It is only lacking more attention-grabbing social buttons. To get it, just head over to surframa.com and click on Get This Theme. Human. Human is another free, responsive, and high-resolution theme for your viral WordPress site. Among the most interesting features that you can find on it are extensive styling and flexible layout options, integrated share counts, unlimited widget areas, and a featured slider. You can find it in the WordPress marketplace by looking up its name on the search bar. Adding must-have plugins for Viral Power. In our previous video, we guided you through the process of creating a cool viral website from scratch using the WordPress platform, which, as you could see, allows you to create fully functional and responsive websites with a few clicks on your mouse. The very best thing about WordPress is how easy it makes it for people from all walks of life to create a website in a matter of minutes. You also had a glimpse at some of the things that you can access through your WordPress dashboard, mainly the theme store. The Appearance tab will enable you to get your hands on a lot of other features that will give you greater power over your viral website without having to know any programming tricks or other complex tasks. One such feature is the use of plugins that will allow your website to perform beyond what you actually thought was possible. In this video, we'll teach you which plugins will give you a real advantage in this viral marketing race. First off, what is a plugin? A plugin is, in simple terms, a piece of software containing a set of functions that can be added to a given program or platform. In the case of WordPress, plugins can expand functionalities or add new features to your website. In fact, the WordPress community tends to brag about how the platform has a plugin for making basically anything work on a WordPress website. How do you install plugins on a WordPress website? Installing a plugin on a WordPress site is very easy. Just go to your WordPress dashboard and look for the Plugins tab. Then click on Add New. You can search a plugin with keywords using the search box. Choose the one that best fits your needs and click on Install Now. Additional configurations will depend on the plugin installed. Must-have plugins to add viral power to your website. Shareaholic. Shareaholic is a plugin that will help you amplify the outreach of your viral website by increasing site traffic, user engagement, conversions, and possibilities of monetization. Best of all, it is free. Shareaholic is described as an all-in-one content amplification platform. It adds certain elements to your website that will help you amplify your content. Social sharing buttons, related content recommendations, social analytics, site monetization apps, optimized promoted content, native ads, and affiliate links. Social Locker. Social Locker is the most popular content blocking plugin. It will improve the quality of traffic to your website as well as your website ranking. What it does is that it hides the most valuable content in your site behind social buttons, leaving no choice for your highest quality visitors but to share or like your pages to unlock it. Social Locker will attach a call to action to your social sharing buttons, making them much more attractive, which will increase social engagement on your site. Enabling viral power tools in your website. Congratulations on your newly created viral website. You got through all the initial steps. Installing and setting up your website with WordPress, installing a cool, fully functional viral theme, learned about plugins, and which are the best ones available to be used on a viral website created with WordPress. In this video, we have decided to give you a helping hand and guide you through the process of setting up viral power tools that your website needs to keep the eyeballs of visitors engaged and the quality traffic coming. We're going to use tools that focus on two key attributes of a viral website: website optimization for search engines and social engagement. These tools are easy to implement and use, and you won't need to write code or do complex technical stuff. Just use the following steps to enable these viral power tools in your website. Website optimization for search engines. You'll need to optimize both your website and your content to rank appropriately in search engine results. We're going to show you a tool that you can use on your WordPress website to rank higher and get indexed by search engines such as Google and Bing. Yoast SEO. The first tool in our arsenal is the Yoast SEO plugin. It's a fully fledged search engine optimization tool for your viral website. This plugin will allow you to optimize your content on the go, giving you insights on how to write the best titles, meta descriptions, and content to be properly ranked on search engine results. Just head to the Plugins tab in your dashboard, click on Add New, search for the plugin using the Yoast SEO keyword, click on Install Now, and then on Activate. Once you install this plugin, you can go to the SEO tab on your left to leverage its power. Click on Dashboard to enter the plugin's configuration panel. There are two important tabs to check the first time you use it. First, go to Your Info. There you'll have to enter a website name that will appear when your content is shown in search engine results pages. We recommend you enter the name of your website, plus a brief description separated by a hyphen. Below you can specify if your site operates as a company or as a person. Once you're done, click on Save Changes. Now, go to the Webmaster Tools tab. There you'll be able to verify your site on the most popular search engines without much hassle. Just follow the link to each of your Webmaster Tools accounts, sign in, and follow the instructions. Finally, don't forget to familiarize yourself with the rest of the optimization options available from this tool, such as social media integration and XML sitemaps. Social engagement. You need to make engagement and sharing an easy task for your viral website visitors, and these might just be the right power tools for you. Shareaholic. The Shareaholic plugin is a tool that will optimize your viral website to get tons of social media shares. Just look it up using the Add New feature in the Plugins tab. Use the Shareaholic keyword to find it. Click on Install and then Activate. To start getting all those shares and comments, simply go to the Shareaholic tab in your dashboard. There you'll be able to configure related and promoted content, share buttons, and monetization. For the purposes of this training, we will only configure share buttons and we'll leave the other options as they came. You want people to share your viral content, so you'll have to check the Above Content and the Below Content boxes in the Post sections. Uncheck all the other ones and click on Save Changes. Facebook comments. Most people will likely see your viral content when connected to Facebook, so having a Facebook comments box in your site is as resourceful as having all those social sharing buttons, which brings us to our last tool. Look up, install, and activate the Facebook Comments plugin from your dashboard. That's it. You now have a Facebook comments box for each viral post in your viral site. You can configure your Facebook comments box by going to Plugins, clicking on Installed Plugins, and then on the Settings button located under the plugin name. That's all for now, but stay with us and see how you can find viral content to get inspired before you create your first viral posts. Welcome to Section 3 of our Viral Marketing Video Training. In this section, we will talk about getting viral ideas before creating your first post, the anatomy of a viral post, and posting your viral content like a pro. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. Getting viral ideas before creating your first post. Although we told you that viral content needs to be emotional to become viral, there is not too much that can be said about what is bound to become viral. There is not a surefire way to know if something will become wildly popular just by looking at it. Things that seem insignificant can become huge overnight hits without anybody seeing it coming. The same happens with stuff that looks like the kind of thing that is supposed to make a lot of noise online, but never quite manages to do so. The good news is that there is so much content online that you can just go and take a peek at what can become viral to get ideas before creating a would-be viral post. This video mainly deals with ways in which you can spy on trending topics to get a fresh idea about the things that you can capitalize upon at any given moment in time, because something that is in everybody's mouth today won't be there tomorrow, so you better get prepared for it. Let's get started with some truly useful tips. You know what's sad? Arriving late to any party. It's worse to get there when everyone has already left. To leverage the power of a piece of potentially viral content, you need to put a foot forward and get in the know. There are plenty of online sources that will allow you to browse trending topics. We recommend you use one called BuzzSumo.com. This website allows its visitors to use any type of keyword to see how it relates to trending topics. You'll enter a keyword in the search bar, and BuzzSumo.com will show you the results related to that keyword. The first results that you'll see are the posts that have become viral on social media. You'll be able to filter your results by date, language, country, and content type. Another great place to look at what is trending now is Google Trends. You can access the service by going to google.com/trends. On the front page, you'll see data gathered from the most popular topics for the present date, and you can scroll down to see what stories are trending now around the web. You can select a category and a country to filter trending stories. And you can use the search bar on top to look up trending stories related to a given keyword. You'll get statistical data and the countries where that keyword is more popular, as well as topics related to that keyword. Our final recommended source is Reddit.com. Reddit's own headline is "The Front Page of the Internet," and with reason. On Reddit, you'll find basically anything you might be after. With every occurrence sprouting first in the most popular message board on the planet, it is easy to gauge if something is about to go viral by just taking a look at people's reaction to it. It is also a great gateway to share your viral stories. The anatomy of a viral post. There are so many things that can make content go viral that they're pretty hard to number and dissect on a whim. You have seen this many times by yourself already. You're on your own, minding your business on Facebook or wherever, and all of a sudden you see something on your wall that immediately grabs your attention. Then, a gut feeling telling you to click on the link in the post overwhelms you, and you can't do a thing about it. You click without too much of a second thought, and find the story to be short yet compelling. And you can't help but click on the share button corresponding to your social network of choice. That is the exact same reaction that thousands upon thousands of people just had with that same post. It is worth asking, how do they pull it off? We mean the creators of the post. How do they make a post go viral so easily? The secret, besides cool, engaging content, lies in the post's structure. Here is a breakdown of the anatomy of a successful viral post. Use this information wisely, and you'll soon see people reacting the same for your posts. Title. Common sense would tell you that a great title is a self-explanatory one, a title that tells you just what you need to know. If it contains the information you're after, it will lead you straight to what you wanted. But does this apply to everybody? The short answer is a flat no. A self-explanatory title will just get the attention of people interested in what the title promotes, but everyone else will pass it off. If you want your titles to grab everyone's attention, you have to create a title that drives curiosity in people. These types of titles are called clickbaits, and they're designed to make people curious. They do not tell the entire story behind a title. They just tease people with possibilities, leaving the message of the title open to interpretation. It makes people fill in the gaps with their imagination, which forces them to click on the title to see what it is really about. Closing the cycle. One of the best ways to drive curiosity and get people to click on a title is by making it list-based. List-based articles get more traffic because people prefer content that is presented in chunks instead of long articles. It helps if you put a little tease in your titles, such as stuff that might come as a pleasant surprise to people. For example, you can create an article titled 6 Myths About Diabetes. Number 5 might shock you, and cover 2 elements in the same title. You're teasing a list-based article and a shocking surprise, which will drive curiosity and shares. Another element that you can add to a title that people will want to click on is a teased answer. Let's develop a second example with this element. Let's use the "We challenged 6 health food claims. This is what we found." You added a teaser answer to that title, increasing its value to people seeing it. You also have to mind the structure of your titles. We recommend you check your titles before you post them with Portent's Idea Generator. Simply go to portent.com, click on Tools, look up the Idea Generator, and enter your title in the text field. The Idea Generator will analyze your title and give you ideas to polish it. Image. Images are great previews for your posts and are a great complement to your title. A well-placed image under a well-crafted title will make a huge difference between getting lots of traffic and attention versus getting just a few clicks here and there. You'll always need to accompany your title and body of your posts with high-quality images. What makes a great image viral? Depending on what your title promotes and what your actual content is about, you might get away with using a common image or you might not, especially when your viral content is all about something really specific. The important thing to keep in mind when using images is that you have to use images that are both fun and relevant to your post. Where can you find viral images? There are 3 great venues for finding high-quality viral images. The first one is Tumblr.com. There, you'll be able to find tons of funny images related to whatever keyword you look up. Just right-click on the image that you want to use and save it to your computer. Another free resource to find images is Pinterest. Just use the search bar to look up any keyword or topic, select your images, and save them. Our last recommended free resource is Google Images. Search for images by keywords or topics and save them to your computer. It would be wise to reference the website where you located the image in your post, however. Finally, a really good way to find images is by using paid databases, where you are guaranteed to find basically any type of image under the sun. We recommend you use Getty. Go to gettyimages.com, create an account, and dig inside its marketplace. Content. The heart and guts of a viral post is ultimately found in its content. One can argue and say that great content is a combination of titles, images, and the body of text. The truth is that cool viral content is something that people will want to share after checking it. The reason that a post goes viral can be a single video, image, or piece of text from within a whole article, but it can also be a combination. That is why you have to use great care when crafting the content of your posts. A rule of thumb is, depending on the subject, you have to create content that viewers can identify with, while making good use of the tools and resources discussed above. This is an example of a post crafted to go viral, with an attention-grabbing title and list-based content and a unique, very creative image. If you'd rather concentrate on the technical aspects of your site, or if researching is eating up your entire time, you can easily outsource the creation of your content. Fiverr.com is a great place to look for people eager to work on your content. You can search freelancers to create content for you by categories like creative writing or articles and blog posts. You can also get a little more specific and search freelancers by using keywords such as viral content and find those specializing in it. Stay tuned and learn how to create great viral posts from scratch like a pro in our next video. Posting your viral content like a pro. You know what it takes to make a post viral: a cool, enticing title, great-looking and attention-grabbing images, and premium shareable content. All of those elements combine to make a successful viral post that is sure to make all the rounds. Now, it is time you apply the right techniques alongside those elements to create your first viral post like a pro. It's easier than you think, and there are various ways to post content that will go viral online. So let's take a look. Creating a viral post. As a first step, you'll need to create your viral post. So let's do it the easy way. Start in your WordPress dashboard and go to the Posts tab. Then click on Add New. This is where all of your viral posts will be born, so bear with us here. There are 3 basic stages when you post your viral content in your WordPress dashboard, and we'll teach you to go through them step by step. The first one is the title, located in the Enter Title Here text box. Use the tools that we recommended before to create a title that people will want to click on and enter it here. Next comes the viral image, which can be inserted with the Add Media button. You can insert 2 types of images here: featured images and into post images. A featured image is a headline image that will go along with your title, usually on top of it. So this is the first one that you need to insert. Just click on Upload Files and search for it in your computer, or use one from your media library. Into post images are images that will accompany your content, so you'll insert those depending on how you structure your post. The last stage is the structure of your content. Like we said, it is better to structure your post in list format, and WordPress allows you to do so with a little code in the text editor. Just type your numbered titles in between H1 and H. To give you an example, our first numbered title would be H1 hack number 5 H. You'll have to do this for each one of your subtitles. Now, write your content and insert the images to accompany your post. As a last step, insert tags to your post to make it easier to find. Remember, these tags must be relevant to your content. Click on Publish and Post. Partially lock your content. You can partially lock your content to get more shares on social media platforms. Simply install and activate the Social Locker plugin. Go to the Plugins tab and click on New Locker. Now click on Create Item in the Social Locker box. Now, you only have to create a post like normal. Only this time, you'll have the option of locking your content behind a message, asking people to share it before they can access it. Select how your locker box will be shown and click on Publish. Post quizzes and polls. Quizzes are very popular because people like seeing quiz results from each other and sharing. Polls are equally popular because they let people express an opinion without too much effort. We recommend you post quizzes and polls on a regular basis as a way to keep people engaged with your site. Simply go to playbuzz.com and sign up. Go to Create. You'll have many options to create interactive forms for your website. Once you have created your form, whether it is a quiz, poll, or trivia, you'll just have to click on the Embed button, copy the text provided, go to your WordPress editor, and paste the code in the text editor, and click on Publish.